Riley,
Papa.
can you say cracker?
Papa.
Can you
Cracker.
say pretty?
Didi. Didi.
Can you say backpack?
Papa.
Can you say hi?
Papa.
Can you say hi?
Ha.
Hi. Can you say ducky? Quack quack.
Okay.
Can you say ball?
Oh. Oh.
Can you say Minnie?
Nene.
Minnie.
Nene.
Can you say baby? Can you say baby? I know you're so busy playing Tea Party, but baby?
Baby.
Can you say puppy? Puppy? Can you say go?
Go. Go.
Can you say shoe?
Go.
Shoe.
Go.
Okay. Can you say mama?
Go. Go.
What about mama?
Go.
Can you say dada?
Go.
Can you say mommy?
Mommy.
Yeah.
Mommy.
Can you say night night?
Nene.
Night night.
Nana.
Can you say baba?
Nana. Papa.
Baba.
Papa.
Can you say
Papa.
what about
Papa.
can you say
Papa.
can you say Riley?
Papa.
Say Riley.
Papa. Papa. Papa.
Say Riley.
Papa.
Okay. Can you say bye bye?
Papa.
Can you say bye bye and wave?
Papa.
Bye bye.
Papa.
Okay, bye bye.
Papa.
Good job. Keep playing your Tea Party.